Okay, I'm back, or if you're watching for the first time, hello, happy Sunday. The first part of the video I already did and posted. Hopefully you can watch that later. If not, let me know, because that one is the artichoke and spinach pull-away bread. That's in the oven right now, and now I'm moving on to our Italian. These are our two new seasonings. They're not available in the catalog right now, but they will be in January. So it's kind of like a little sneak peek of what's coming in January. If you have the Epic box, you would have gotten these and get to try them out. Like Norma has them. I can't remember. Anyway, a few people have them, and you can try these out. So this is what looks like inside here. This is the Italian meatball, which I know I got upside down. So what I'm going to do is actually pour it into the bowl, because I'm going to divide it. That's what it looks like. So to make what's in this package, it can make 32 meatballs using 2 pounds of protein of some sort. Its recommendation is lean ground beef with ground pork. You have 2 eggs, a quarter cup of some milk or water of some sort, and then you can put grated Parmesan in if you want. And then you form them into 2 tablespoon meatballs. And then you can bake them or microwave them and then bake them in your sauce or whatever, which is kind of the plan I have. So I have my round steamer. I have only a pound of ground beef. It is not pork or beef. Well, actually, wait, it's bison, I think. Anyway, we have bison. That's just what it is. And so I'm basically going to take about half. So, and then the other thing is, my husband is not fond of meatballs, so he wants it with chicken. So I'm going to roll the chicken in it and do it that way. So that's kind of that. So his I will bake a little bit later. It's just after I have the, actually I can put it in there now. What am I talking about? It's a savory thing in there, right? Not a sweet. So we're good. We can have some fun. All right, so I'm just going to use this kind of like a shake and bake. Give it the old Italian heave-ho. Don't listen to me. I'm just making fun. All right, so it's got, I didn't tell you what's in here, right? So it's got a rice breader in here, raisin juice concentrate, some honey, onion, sea salt, parsley, garlic, black pepper, basil, oregano, and thyme. So that is there. All right, so 3 covered up. And then the rest I can put in here with 1 egg. Oops. And then just mush it up with your meatballs. Obviously, if you use a vegan protein, you can kind of do the same. You don't need the egg. You can use an egg replacement, but I don't. There is, except for the honey, if you are if you're that into the vegan part, then you wouldn't want it because it has the honey. But otherwise, if you don't mind the honey, this is a great option. So actually, I don't think I want big 2 tablespoon ones. So we will do that. And yeah, so there we go. Just a lot of different seasonings in here. These would be great if you were trying to prep up for some, like, you could totally make these and then freeze them. So I would probably cook them and then freeze, and then you could just pull them out and then throw them into your sauce or whatever it is that you're making. And so yeah, there we go. Italian meatballs. Now the rosé sauce is not complicated at all. It's literally some milk and some tomato paste. I don't have tomato paste on me. I have tomato sauce. So what I'm going to do is just minimize the amount of milk that needs to go in, because it's just the liquid part. And it has dairy in the rosé sauce. So again, this one in particular is not for vegans, because this one has dairy. But I have got to see everything else that's coming for the new season, and it looks awesome. So can't wait to share that all with you. And if you wanted to get in and get sneak peeks, good morning. We are having an 8-day of giveaways as we get ready for the new season that comes on January the 9th. And I can invite you into that group if you are interested in hearing more about what's coming, get to see some videos. Us leaders in my org will be all going live and sharing the recipes. So let me know if you want in on that. And just a reminder, good morning, Marta and Judy. This weekend is the discounted shipping, just until Sunday night, or tonight is Sunday. See, I'm not like, whatever. My lighting is off for some reason today. Sorry, guys. All right, so there we go. Italian meatballs. Oops, wrong one. Italian meatballs. I did it on 3 pieces of chicken breast or thighs because my husband, as I said, doesn't like meatballs. And then made a whole bunch of meatballs with 1 pound of bison ground meat, but you could use whatever kind you want. Now at this point in time, it would go into the oven 400, about 15 minutes. I have something in there right now, so I'll set this aside and then I will put that in there. And then show everybody later how it all looks. Okay, rosé sauce. All right, so there you go, rosé sauce. So literally in a saucepan or microwave bowl, however you want to do it, you combine 4 cups, it makes 2 cups, but you can put it in a 4-cup bowl. The sauce mix with 1.5 cups of milk and a 1/2 cup of tomato paste. I will change that up because, as I said, I don't have paste. I have sauce, but it is pretty thick sauce. So I'll do 1 cup. And then just 1 cup. Oh. It's a good thing about our corner spoon here. Gets everything out. Shut up a little bit. All right. Okay. Looks like in there. Dump it in. Okay, so the rosé sauce has in it cheddar cheese. So as I said, oh, excuse me, sorry, this is not vegan, obviously. And then it has some Parmesan cheese in it as well. So cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, tomato, onion, garlic, sea salt, basil, black pepper. So there we go. So there is our sauce. And then it goes in the microwave or oven or a stovetop if you're a stovetop person. For 4 to 5 minutes on high until it thickens and you're whisking it halfway through. So basically 2.5 minutes first, whisk it, and then another 2.5 minutes, give or take. All right. And then, so for me, today's lunch, morning, Donna. So for me, today's lunch, I will give the meatballs with the sauce. I'll just make some linguine or some penne or I don't know, whatever pasta I have. And then it'll make my lunch for tomorrow as well. And probably can freeze some, but we'll see how it goes. So definitely for at least 2 days, I have food with the rosé sauce and the meatballs. That's at least 3 meals of the meatballs, and then the chicken. Well, that's probably 1.5 for Vic, but that's that. So that just to try this out, I still have some more chicken. We can do something else with tomorrow. And then the next thing I'm going to make, once I got the rosé sauce, is I'm going to make gingerbread cookies. And those will also just sit until I get everything else done as well. So I'm going to, that's it for today, or for now anyways. I'll come back once everything is cooked and show you all what it looks like. But I'm doing it in stages today. 1, to take it easy, but 2, because I'm trying out new things. And want to give them the due diligence, I guess if you want to say, of it. So there we go. So specials happening right now. We have the discounted shipping going on until the end of tonight. So If it's over $150, it's free. If it's over 100, it's $5. If it's under, it's the usual price. So it's a great opportunity, one, to grab all your gifts for your family and friends and stock up and get into all that. Or if you've got some family and friends, you could all order together and ship to one location. If you're close by to each other, and share in the discounted shipping. We still have a special or a sale on our Merry Month of Meals. Show you that. This guy here, it's super awesome. You get 24 meal solutions and 2 desserts, and they're like kept in little containers here. But you could just pull everything out like I did. It's just, where is it? Nicely packed up like this. And then if you pull it out, each week has its meal solutions right there. So you could pull them all out if you were just, it's just for you. But if it's a gift, look at that. It's wrapped, it's boxed, it even has a bow on it. And it's 95, 96. Anyway, 20% off is that one. So, or this one, I should say. And something else is on sale. Oh, forgotten. There you go. So that's the first 2.5 minutes. Another 2 minutes. I will do 2. See how that goes. Oh, duh. The entertaining collection. So we have the spotlight, and that is also on sale. And you do get, I think, the biscuits with the I'll post it in the thing. I've completely forgot what's all in there. But it's a pretty cool collection. If you're into entertaining, or if you do want to try out what I just tried out, a lot of what I have there, the what's in the oven, this one, no, the biscuits with the spinach artichoke are in that one. And it's $30. And you can try out some cool new recipes with that one. So 2 collections that are on sale, the discounted shipping, and of course you get a gift with purchase over $60. So if you're going for the discounted shipping, you will totally get that. And that's those things. There's always the opportunity to have your own cooking class or event or shopping event or whatever you want to call it. If you want to share this with family and friends, especially if you're going for that 150, I totally would recommend having a cooking class attached to that. Because you just need $250 in sales to qualify your cooking class, and then of course you want to hit 500 or more. But if that's what you're going for, grab a whole bunch of people, put that in, and then you, the host, get freebies that you can use in the new season, right? So our new season starts on January 4th. Have a class now, put it into there, and then boom, it's a win-win all around, and you get to share how awesome Epicure is in your kitchen and how it helps you with your family and friends. So you can do that, or you can do what I do, which is be your own ambassador, and get paid to eat, pretty much. So if you want to try that, we have a really cool special on right now, where if you join and put your first $250 in your first month, which would be anywhere from the day you joined to the end of the next month. So obviously if you join today, you'll have all of December and all of January to hit your first $250, and then you get goodies. You get swag items. You get a hat, you get a pin, you get a briefcase. Pretty cool. Anyway, if you're into that, which I am, pretty awesome. So anyway, those are the things that are going on. Let me grab the rosé. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's it. Hot, hot, hot. One rosé, which is more of my style because I don't like a lot of tomato. So there we go. So I won't do any more. It could use a little thickening, but I don't want to thicken it up too much right yet. Because I'm going to probably warm it up, and then it'll thicken up when I put the meatballs in. And then, yeah. So if you wanted to, you just have to whisk it to get some of the lumps out. Otherwise, that's awesome. Oh, that's pretty good. I like that. Okay, basil, black pepper. Yeah, there you go. So rosé sauce. the meatballs, Italian covered chicken. So there's the rosé sauce. Here are the meatballs ready to go in the oven with the chicken, which I just used to coat with the Italian seasonings. So we got a nice Italian style dinner coming. I'm going to take a quick peek at our artichoke dip here, since it is half an hour. Ooh. Okay. So it's still kind of light colored, as you can see, but that's because I put the lid on because I didn't want to burn everything. It's definitely going to need a little longer because it's a lot in there, and I did have the temperature down, so I'm going to turn the temperature back up to 350. But it's looking good in my mind. And all I did was I made the artichoke spinach dip in the container, half of what it said, but so half a cream cheese brick, some vegan yogurt, oh my God, mayo, a bit of milk or whatever. Mix that up a little bit in the microwave just to warm it up enough. Mix it all up, and then just dropped dollops of the biscuit mix into it in the square steamer. Put the lid on, put it in the oven now at 325. But just because I'm just playing around with the recipe, so I can turn it up now. And then when I'm ready at the end, I'll take the lid off and just brown up the top and get it all bubbly and golden. So yeah, that's where we're at today. Thank you so much for everybody jumping in this morning. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. If you see anything you have questions about, feel free to hit me up. If you're watching it later, hit hashtag replay. Let me know what you thought or what you're trying this weekend or how your Sunday's going. And yeah, and I mentioned in the first video, but I forgot to mention in this video, or maybe I did, I don't know. But anyway, our org is having a big event for our new season, which is coming on January the 4th. And we're going to have it on January the 3rd, but we're having a big ramp up to it in which there are giveaways every day in the group, because that's where we'll be going live and sharing videos, sneak peeks of what's coming in the new season. So you've got a couple of sneak peeks today, but you can get more after the holidays if you do the holidays or whatever. So like I think it's from the 26th on to the 2nd or the 3rd, we'll be showcasing new products, talking about them, and then you can have a chance to win. So if you're interested in joining, feel free to hit me up and I'll get you the link. If you want to have your own cooking class link to have with that, I can give you one as well. And then yeah, so I'm looking forward to our new season. As I said, I'm got it here already because we earned it, and I get to try everything out. So yeah, there we go. Anyway, have a happy Sunday, and I hope to hear from you.